If you're a lawyer who charges by the hour, let me share some tips with you on how you can avoid getting into unnecessary conflicts with your client. Hey everybody, my name is Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in D.C. I've been doing this for over 33 years. I was also an adjunct professor at my law school, and I taught a class of firm management, teaching young lawyers on how to deal with the real world realities of the practice of law. Because after all, we don't get this kind of education in law school. So legal fees are a very uncomfortable topic, and actually it is the most common area where a lawyer and a client have conflict. So if you're charging by the hour, I want to share some tips with you on how you can minimize the conflict between you and your client. In an earlier video, I talked about the fact that it's okay to charge for your legal services, and if you're someone who charges by the hour, I don't want you to be embarrassed about it or self-conscious about it. You've been to law school, you've taken the bar exam, you are entitled to charge for the services that you provide. You have value, and your clients must recognize that value, and you get paid to provide that professional service. Let's go on with some other tips. Tip number 2, if you charge by the hour and the ethical rules allow you to take a retainer, I would take a retainer from a client, and I would tell the client that you're going to put the retainer in your trust account, and when you perform work, you're going to bill your time against that retainer. You don't want to have a situation where you have no retainer and you're putting in a lot of time at the beginning and you send a bill and the client has a problem. You have to get a retainer at the beginning. That way you have some comfort to know that you're going to get paid for the preliminary work that you're going to do. Sometimes a project takes on a bigger scope than what you thought, and the client decides they don't want you. And if you don't have a retainer, you can be stuck with a lot of time and a lot of bills that don't get paid. So take that retainer. Number 3, stay on top of your billing. If you were billing every 30 days, make sure that you were sending bills out every 30 days. Don't get behind the 8 ball, because your time is going to accumulate on you and those bills are going to become more enormous if you don't stay ahead of your 30-day billing. Make sure that you collect on that. You have to provide a service and you get paid for it. If you don't get paid, then you can't provide that service. You can't provide legal services for free. You can't let clients rack up enormous bills, because the more they owe you, the worse it is for you, because they're going to get behind, they're not going to be able to make their obligations, you're going to feel frustrated and you're going to feel angry, and that is ripe for a terrible conflict between you and your client. So let's summarize. Number 1, don't be embarrassed to charge a legal fee. Number 2, make sure you take a retainer right at the top. And number 3, stay ahead of your billing and your collections. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button below, because I want you to take advantage of all of my free videos. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon.